back with us,
Me,
So
Mftahudin,
and Sofia. We are from
Mathematics Education at
Universitas Negeri Semarang.
Yaksimas. Good? That is how to say how are you in Polish.
Do you know what we are going to talk about? That's education in Poland. Do you know education in Poland? You don't know anything? Really?
It's okay if you don't know about it, but please watch this video carefully. Enjoy this video!
Poland. Poland is a country that follows the Polski education system, which is the same as the European Union education system. According to the PISA 2018 results, the Polish education system is ranked 10 in the world in math assessment. And in the past decade, there has been an increase in scores in all subjects, including literacy, numeracy, science, and foreign language. This year, Poland fully implemented its new curriculum, resulting in changes such as the elimination of gymnasium or junior high school and the extension of primary education from 6 to 8 years. In addition, Polish students will spend an extra year studying at their Lyceum or vocational high school before taking the Matura. The textbooks are now free. Public education must be accessible to all and students must be offered a place by their local district school. Characteristic of the Poland education curriculum. First, the education curriculum used in the Polski education system is the same as the European Union. Second, the education system in Poland is divided into 3 stages, namely primary education, secondary education, and higher education. Third, at the primary level, students tend to learn facts rather than investigate and explore, and discover their own viewpoints and opinions. Fourth, the education system in Poland focuses more on getting to know children personally so that children get most out of the learning process. 5. The junior high school education system was abolished because at the age children are at puberty and actively exploring themselves. The feeling of seniority hinders their maturation process. 6. Secondary education is longer and there is a specific division so that graduates of one type of secondary education are ready to enter the workforce. 7. There is Matura or secondary education diploma that they must pass with a test. This test can be repeated until they get the desired score. The curriculum in Poland also implements a character development report card to prepare children for the challenge of the real world. 9. Poland education focuses on interactive learning and practical skill. 10. There is a freedom is choosing subject of interest to student. Students can choose subjects that suit their interests and talents, which allow them to have a more interesting and fulfilling education.
Mathematics learning structure in Poland education. The structure of mathematics at primary level is summarized in the statement: provide children with the knowledge and skills needed in everyday life, and at schools and helps in solving problems. This structure includes spatial relationship, order and classification, counting object, independence of a number of objects from counting methods, comparing size of sets, number notation up to 1000 including decimal notation, arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, measuring, weighing, counting money and using calendar, describing concrete situation with math, solving simple single and multiple operation story problems. Geometric shapes like triangle, square, rectangle, and circle. Mathematical structure at junior secondary level are seen as tools for solving problems in various academic subjects and in everyday life. These structures include rational numbers, percentage and exponents, and whole number roots, decimal approximations, and example of irrational numbers, algebraic expression including notation and calculation, example of function as well as recognizing and determining properties of function from graph, linear equation and data collection, processing and presentation, simple random event, polygons, circle, bisector, central angles, and inscribed angles, triangles, congruence, and inscribed and restricted triangle. Example of geometric transformations, perimeter and area of polygon and circles, side and angle relationship in flat shapes, Pythagoras theorem, perpendicularity and alignment in space, prism, pyramids, solids of revolutions, like cylinders, cones, and spheres, and calculating the area and volume of these shapes. Okay, from previous explanation about education in Poland and about mathematics structure in Poland, we have several things that can be implemented in Indonesia. The first thing that education in Poland is prioritize the personal recognition of children. In education itself, knowing character of the child is very important because we can find where the child is to improve his abilities. Playing this can make the learning more optimal because it suits for the child. The second thing is in Poland there is a report card or report book that not only record about academic grades but also has assignment book that in terms of the children maturity in thinking, reasoning, socializing, solving problem, following the rules, and becoming a person who has a value of responsibility. This report book is very good for building children character because in this life human not only have an academic ability but also psychology abilities as well. The third thing is education in Poland focus on interactive learning and practical skills. Students in Poland are given the opportunity to develop their creativity and critical thinking upskill through various learning methods such as discussion, collaborative project, and practical experiment. And also the student in Poland have more practical skill. So when they graduate from secondary school, they have ready skill to apply in several jobs in there. That's
enough from us about education in Poland.
Thank you for watching this video and
Goodbye!
bye!